All right, welcome leaders. This is the Songahm 4 video for teens and adults doing the full form, as well as any ambitious leadership students that want to try to master and learn the second half of the form. The whole thing makes a rectangle shape on the floor. And one new difference is we're doing a regular ready stance instead of the natural ready stance. Okay, so from the top, Juyot, Kyungye. ATA, Junbi. Songahm 4, ready. Twin inner form block, aim, punch, punch, double out of form block, round kick, reverse side kick, back fist strike. O block, inner form block, reverse punch, side kick, knife and strike. Step up, step out, twin inner form block, back stance this time. Jump front kick, double out of form block. Sparring stance here. Round kick, reverse side kick, back fist strike, low block, inner form block, reverse punch, side kick, knife fist strike. Step up, step out, twin inner form block, front kick, double out of form block, look to the front, twin inner form block, aim with the left hand this time, punch, punch. Stepping in, and jump. In the back where you started.